This is worksheet number 5 for chapter 13. Our topic today is solving right triangles using trigonometry. We're going to find angle measures or side lengths of right triangles. Here's our first example. We want to find the side length of A using trigonometry. And go ahead and draw the picture. I have those formulas for you on my smartboard. Remember, you do have to memorize these 3 sets of formulas for the sine of A, the cosine of A, and the tangent of A. All right, so what we're going to work with is angle B, which is 67 degrees. And there are 2 sides, side A and side 20. So this is called the opposite to angle B. This is the hypotenuse to angle B, and this is the adjacent. Now we have to choose the correct trig function in the yellow box. So the 2 sides we're working with is 20 and A. So we want to choose the trig function that has adjacent and hypotenuse in it. Well, that is right here. The cosine of A equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So we're going to set up an equation. The cosine of angle B, which is 67 degrees, equals adjacent, which is A, over the hypotenuse, 20. And now what we do is we solve this equation for A. So we want to remove that 20 from the denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 20. And what that does is it cancels out the 20 from the right side. Now we need to use our calculator. We want to evaluate what is the cosine of 67 degrees. So put 67 in your calculator, and you get 0.39073. Then multiply it by 20. And you get A to equal 7.814. That's how long that side of the triangle is. Here's our next example. Find the angle measure for angle B. So this is our angle we're going to work with. And the sides that we're working with to angle B, this is side opposite, this is side hypotenuse. So to choose the correct trig function below in the yellow, so which trig function works with opposite and hypotenuse? The sine. So we say the sine of angle B equals opposite, which is 8, over the hypotenuse. Now we're trying to find the angle measure, so we have to use inverse trigonometry. So to find the angle B, we sine inverse 8 over 13. So with your calculator, go second sine, and then 8 divided by 13, and push enter. And you should get angle B's measure is 37.98 degrees. Next example. Find all the missing sides and angles for this picture. This one is going to take us a little while to work on. So let's use the first thing, Pythagorean theorem, to just find this side length AB. So this is the hypotenuse, and then this is A and B. We set up the equation to find x. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 7 times 7 is 49. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the two numbers together on the left, and then square root it. So x equals the square root of 53. So now we can come back up here. I'm just going to erase this. The square root of 53. All right. So let's label the pieces now that we know. Length of CB is 2. Length of AB is the square root of 53. The length of AC is 7. Now we want to find the measures of angles A, B, and C. Well, angle C is 90 degrees. That's our right angle. So now we have 2 angles left. All right, so let's start off by finding angle A. So angle A is over here. This is my theta. And I'm going to just choose the 2 nice numbers to work with. 2 and 7. So side 2 is opposite. Side 7 is the adjacent. So which trig function do you use with opposite and adjacent? Tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we say the tangent of A equals opposite, which is 2, and adjacent, which is 7. 2 over 7. Well, we're trying to find the angle measure, so we have to inverse it. A equals the tangent inverse of 2 7s. Put that into your calculator. Go second tangent, 2 divided by 7, and enter. I'm bringing this down. And what you get for an answer is A is approximately 15.94. So A equals, we'll just round it to 16 degrees. So now I can come back up here. Angle A is 16 degrees. Now we can use trigonometry again to find the third angle, B. Or remember the triangle sum theorem. 180 degrees is the total of 3 angles in a triangle. Well, we know 2 of them, 90 degrees and 16 degrees. Let's subtract them. So take 180 minus 90 minus 16. And we get our last angle of 74 degrees. Here's the assignment for worksheet number 5. This is the green worksheet. And I have my 6-year-old son with me, so if you hear some extra movement around the classroom, this is a day off day today, and we're in here doing some video recording.